The collet nut compresses the collet into the spindle to secure the router bits in your laminate trimmer. Over time, the nut's threads can become worn. The threads can be damaged if the nut is cross-threaded onto the spindle. Replacing the collet nut is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the base from the router. Now I can remove the collet nut. I'll use the button to lock the spindle and the wrench to remove the nut. If the threads on the nut are damaged, you'll want to inspect the threads on the spindle as well. If the spindle threads are damaged, you'll need to replace the armature. Now I can install the new nut. I'll thread the nut onto the spindle and secure it in place. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the base. And that's how simple it is to replace the collet nut on your laminate trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.